Well, hello everyone, thank you for watching. Today I'm gonna be giving you a review on my helmet camera. This is the camera that I use on my helmet to do motovlogging. I got this camera about I'll say now 2.5 months ago from eBay. It was $69. It took about a week and a half for me to get it. It came from China, directly from China. And this is the camera over here. It's tiny, it's little, it's very sturdy. It's made out of I guess it's steel. It's waterproof with this back cover on. It's waterproof. If you remove this back cover over here, you have some ports. You got the USB for charging and file transfer. You got A, B, and C, which over here tells you what those buttons does. The A is for 1080p, 30 frames per second, 720p, 60 frames per second, and WVGA 60 frames per second. The 720p 60 frames per second, I tried to make a video out of it and it was unusable. The camera overimposed everything. I had it on my helmet, the same side mount that I've been using it with this mount right here. And what it did is overimpose everything, and the only thing I could see was my my gauge cluster and part of my mirrors. That's it. You couldn't see anything else. It has also the camera. That's the micro SD card, support up to 32 gigabytes. I have a 16 gigabyte there now. That middle light there is for the external microphone. It supports external microphone. That button is to reset the camera. That's the HDMI out. You can connect it directly to the TV. And that's the microphone in, and also video audio out. I've been using it with the microphone that I got from eBay. I tried several different microphones and none of them seemed to work. The only one that worked was a braided microphone. Those other microphones with plastic over it will not work. I don't know, I guess it's not insulated, it's well insulated. This is one of the mounts that came with it, and you can just take it out of here and slide it off, and that's all the camera is. Over here you hold it for a few seconds. Once it vibrates, I mean it's on, and once the green light comes on, I mean it's ready to record. So you depress the record button for a few seconds, and when it's blinking, now it's recording. So now I'm gonna be posting a little bit of the video alongside, so you can see the difference in the quality. I'm gonna pause it again. So now it's paused. I'm gonna change it to 720, which is option B. I'm gonna record again. This is a 720p option and 60 frames per second on my camera. I recorded with it the other night, and I thought, I don't know if it was the camera itself or it was the after processing video on YouTube, that it looked a little grainy. I've never seen that before, and I've been using this camera for a while now. I never record that late at night, and now I'm gonna record on BGA. This is recording on BGA at 60 frames per second. We'll see how the video looks. Okay, now it's on pause. Now let me show you what other stuff you get with the camera. You get inside the box, you get a charger and USB cable that I have over here to charge up the camera. I haven't been using it because my bike has been down, but this is the charger you get with the cable. It comes inside the box. And now the camera's off. Let's see what we got in here. Well, first let me show you what the camera comes with. So it has a half 0.5 inch CMOS sensor, 140 degrees view angle, 5.0 megapixel for snapshots that I haven't figured out how to take them yet. Records on 1080p 30 frames per second, 720p 60 frames per second, and WVGA at 60 frames per second. The video format is MP4 and the compression is H.264. The video size, those are the video size on the different formats. On 1080p the videos are pretty big, but they're also good quality. You can set it up to record from 1 up to 60 minutes. Once the 60-minute limit is reached, it'll continue on making the second file, and it splits the video into two, but it's just as if it was all one video. USB 2.0. It has no built-in flash. It supports the micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes. The battery lasts 1000 milliamps. Recording time 140 minutes. Charge up 3 to 4 hours. That you can take that with a grain of salt. I ran the camera dead a few weeks ago, and I plugged it in like around 2 o'clock, and I went to bed at 9 like around 10, and it was still charging. So you can take that with a grain of salt. And that's the dimensions of the camera. Over here on the side is some of the stuff that comes with the handlebar mount, wrist strap, the helmet mount, which is that one that I got right there, USB to charge it, the video audio out, a little carrying strap that you can attach to the back over here, the little baggie, and the charger. Alright, so let's just open it up. It's very difficult to do this one-handed, so bear with me. Okay. Oh, it does not come with an SD card. You can supply your own SD card. I started with a 4 gigabyte SD card, which she was giving me problems. So far, I'm gonna have to put the camera down. So, okay, hold on 1 second while I set up the tripod. Okay. Now I got two things. So this is what comes with the camera. Goes in here. Oops. That spot. Just like that. Take it out, of course. Remove the plastic, and now show you what's inside the box. I already got the camera. This is for my SD card that did not came with. This is Velcro straps, I guess, so you can strap it to your helmet, I guess. This is the hand strap. I'm gonna try this with the head strap, trying to record with the camera on my head. That's the handlebar mount. Alright. This is the wrist strap mount. That's the video audio out, and the little baggie, and the little strap, carrying strap. That's all there is in the box. So should you buy this camera? If you can afford getting a different camera, I will go either with a Ghost HD, or even a GoPro. GoPro is a little expensive, but for this small factor camera, the Ion, it's a good camera. The Concord, I think it's called, which is the small little camera like that with the little ridges on the side. That's a good camera. I went with this because I was looking for something inexpensive that I can try on motovlogging. So far, the only problem I had with it was all the microphones that I tried were not working correctly. They were giving me that ground noise. But finally I found one that it worked. So the drawback on this is there's no remote, so you can't, you can put it on record on and off, but if you on pause for a long period of time, the camera will turn off. And since I have external microphone, if I turn it on, that external microphone will not come back on automatically. You have to depress the button and turn it on back here. Should you buy this camera? Yeah, I'll say you can buy it. It's for $69. There's nothing bad to go wrong with it. If you want something better, you can just save a little more money and go, like I said, go up with a GoPro or a HD Ghost, or even an Ion, or the other camera that the name escaped from me now, but it's just like this, the little tube camera, like the Ion. Again, this is my helmet camera, Chinese version. I use it for motovlogging. So far so good. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. And one is blinking, now is recording. So now I'm gonna be posting a little bit of the video alongside, so you can see the difference in the quality. I'm gonna pause it again. This is a 720p option and 60 frames per second on my camera. I recorded with it the other night, and I thought, I don't know if it was the camera itself or it was the after processing video on YouTube, that it looked a little grainy. I've never seen that before, and I've been using this camera for a while now. This is recording on VGA at 60 frames per second. We'll see how the video looks. Okay, so I'm recording with the camera set up on my head strap attached to the side of my head. How weird it looks. I don't know how well can you guys see. Maybe angle it down a little bit. See, I got Windows 10. I guess this is good enough if you want to do something you need your hands free and you can record while you're doing it. I don't know how the audio is going to cost because the microphone is way in the back of the camera. So this is a test of the side strap recording.